Eminista lo akironu koteso Clement Ongalo ngese balebe e koteso makapugan ay ngarakina pugan ay tabaritunga ko program kalo.
I have seen, and I want an explanation. I have seen here in KALAKI, some people, about 19 groups, have received 7.4 million. Then about 14 groups have received 7.1 million. Then one group from KDA, I'm told, has received 12.9 million. At the appropriate time, I will ask the official responsible to come and explain to us that disparity. We want transparency. And I can assure you, I am going to monitor this program in KALAKI. If you cannot work without stealing, leave KALAKI. Go and steal from somewhere.
Bongo kine minister Apollo kinitona jakanuto ko district loko KALAKI. Poli ne podo ingese balebe isirigini nesima mapugan na okiding ijukunu tilwedo litosi tela ikere.
When you look at the 17 million required, we have a deficit of 399,091 shillings. And we have written to the Ministry of Finance, notifying them of the deficit and asking them to intervene. That is the guidance we got from the Ministry.
Thank you very much. So,
Ongalo ngese lipitunga luebe iteme dauno itelai o program kalo. Amamusa chamune jauni sirigin lumame dolitosi miloni nitomona kanyare.
when that balance comes, we'll get 17 million.
Yes,
17, have you heard?
yes.
If it is not 17, don't accept it. Please. And when I call you for a meeting, please, don't just come and talk to me. Come with your statements. I want to see how much money has gone into your account, how much money is being disbursed to who and for what. And I will continue arresting you. Because, first of all, those I will be arresting are the ones who want to be campaign leaders. Let campaigns come when you are in jail, so that we see how you continue fighting. Put all of you in.
Nuka TV East Abraham Elapo ko district loko KALAKI.